Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried shooting video on your phone while walking or moving, you already know how shaky things can get. And that's exactly where a smartphone gimbal comes in. In 2026, smartphone gimbals are smarter than ever, featuring AI tracking, built-in lights, extension rods, and even remote controls that make filming easier than ever before. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best smartphone gimbals in 2026, ranked from number 1 to number 5, based on performance, features, and overall value. Make sure you stick around till the end, because the number 1 gimbal is an absolute beast and perfect for serious content creators. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. We have the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra, and honestly, this thing is packed with features. This is an all-in-one smartphone gimbal designed for creators who want everything in one device. You get AI auto tracking, a detachable touchscreen remote, a built-in extension rod, a tripod, and even a fill light. When it comes to performance, the stabilization is incredibly smooth. Whether you're walking, running, or shooting cinematic shots, the footage comes out looking professional. The AI tracking works really well, especially for solo creators. You can move freely, and the gimbal will follow you without needing someone behind the camera. Another big highlight is the detachable touchscreen remote, which gives you full control even from a distance. That's perfect for fitness creators, vloggers, or anyone filming alone. Pros: all-in-one design, tripod, rod, light. Excellent AI tracking, detachable touchscreen remote, excellent stabilization. If you want the best overall smartphone gimbal in 2026, this is the one to get. Number 2. Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Next, we have the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, one of the smartest gimbals available today. This gimbal is known for its industry-leading AI tracking and 360-degree pan tracking, which means it can follow your subject from almost any angle. One standout feature is the Apple Dock Kit integration, making it especially powerful for iPhone users. The tracking feels super smooth and very accurate. It also includes a built-in tripod and selfie stick, making it perfect for travel. You don't need extra accessories. Everything is built right in. The design is also very compact and portable, so you can easily carry it in your bag. Pros: best-in-class AI tracking, 360 degrees subject tracking, built-in tripod plus selfie stick, compact design. A perfect choice for travel vloggers and iPhone users who want powerful tracking features. Number 3. Hohem iSteady M6 Kit. Next, we have the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit, which is a more advanced version of the standard M6. This version comes with a magnetic AI tracking sensor and a fill light, which makes a big difference when shooting in low light conditions. The stabilization is strong and reliable, and thanks to its 400-gram payload capacity, it can easily handle larger smartphones. The OLED display is another nice touch, giving you quick access to settings and modes. This gimbal is especially useful for creators who want to shoot more professional-looking videos without stepping into super high-end pricing. Pros: AI tracking module included, magnetic fill light, strong stabilization, high payload capacity. Great for intermediate to advanced creators who want extra features like lighting and tracking. Number 4. Hohem M7 Standard. Next, we've got the Hohem M7, which brings some unique features to the table. The standout feature here is the detachable touchscreen remote, allowing you to control the gimbal without touching it. That's super useful for solo shooting. It also comes with AI tracking and a built-in extension rod, which gives you more flexibility when filming. In terms of stabilization, it performs very well for everyday use, like vlogging, social media content, or casual filmmaking. Pros: detachable touchscreen remote, built-in extension rod, AI tracking, easy for solo creators. A solid choice for solo creators who want more control and flexibility. Number 5. Hohem M6 Standard. Finally, we have the Hohem M6 Standard version. This is a reliable and budget-friendly 3-axis gimbal that still delivers excellent stabilization. One useful feature is reverse charging, which allows the gimbal to power your phone during long shoots. It also includes an OLED display, making it easy to control settings. While it doesn't have advanced AI tracking like the higher-end models, it still performs very well for basic shooting needs. Pros: affordable, strong stabilization, reverse charging, easy to use. Perfect for beginners or budget users who want stable footage without spending too much. So that was our list of the top 5 best smartphone gimbals in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall, go with the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. If you want advanced AI tracking, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is a fantastic option. And if you're on a budget, the iSteady M6 still gets the job done really well. All the links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment letting me know which gimbal you like the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.